You don't need to spend thousands on a replacement. We've all been there, right? You're pulling out of the driveway, you get halfway to work, and suddenly total panic sets in because you honestly can't remember if you closed it. Fixing this daily headache matters right now for your home security and, frankly, your own sanity. By the end of this explainer, you're gonna know exactly which smart add-on fits your specific garage, your budget, and your lifestyle, so you can install it this weekend and literally never have that panic attack again.
Coming in at number 5 on our countdown is the basic Wi-Fi add-on, dropping in right around that $50 to $150 mark. This is the absolute simplest plug-and-play entry point for anyone who just wants basic remote access without the technical headaches. Seriously, if the mere thought of wiring makes you sweat, this is your guy. They're incredibly straightforward. You just take this small Wi-Fi-enabled gadget and it either clips right onto your existing remote or it just plugs straight into a standard wall outlet out in the garage. Zero technical skill required. So next time you're stuck in line at the grocery store wondering if the door's wide open, you just tap the app on your phone and boom, it opens or closes right then and there. The obvious win here is, of course, that plug-and-play setup. It's super budget-friendly, and there is absolutely no need to hire an expensive electrician or permanently alter your opener in any way. But we gotta be honest about the drawbacks. The Wi-Fi connection on these things can be notoriously spotty, especially if your garage is miles away from your home router. You know how weak your phone signal gets out there? Yeah, these devices struggle with that exact same thing. On top of that, you're usually stuck dealing with pretty clunky, cheaply made apps. And if your motor is on the older side, the signal bouncing from the device to your opener might not be super reliable, which means those critical notifications can feel heavily delayed right when you need them most. You're left standing there going, wait, did it actually work? These are the first things to fail. So if these basic options have some real everyday limits, what's actually gonna hold up for the long haul? Well, that brings us to number 4 on the list, the Smart Conversion Kit, which sits right around $400 to $600 installed. Now, this is a totally different beast from our previous pick. Instead of just slapping a little gadget onto your current setup, you're actually replacing the entire electric opener head unit up on your ceiling with a brand new smart-enabled model. We're talking devices from premium brands like Meros and Eve that offer flawless integration right into your existing smart home ecosystem. They give you local control through platforms like HomeKit or Alexa. That means the motor reacts instantly over your home network. No bouncing commands off some distant cloud server. Plus, you get these advanced physical motion sensors that tell you precisely when the door is actually moved. Zero room for doubt. The massive upside here? Rock-solid reliability. You're working with brand new hardware built from the ground up to be smart, so you aren't fighting some tired, decades-old equipment just to get a wireless signal through. But the costs and the labor are definitely substantial. You're looking at a solid 2 to 3 hour weekends project if you're a highly confident DIYer, or a pretty pricey service call to a professional. And the most painful downside is honestly the waste. It is incredibly frustrating, not to mention expensive, to rip down a perfectly functioning motor that has years of life left just to get smart features. Plus, you're now entirely at the mercy of that specific brand software support for the entire lifespan of the motor. Replacing hardware with 10 plus years of life left. But what if I told you there's a sneaky solution that sits perfectly between a basic add-on and a massive full system replacement? Coming in at number 3, we've got the sensor and relay system, usually running about $100 to $200 installed. Fun fact, this is actually the exact setup smart home professionals favor for their own garages because it is just incredibly robust. And really quick, everything mentioned in this explainer is linked in the description. Check current prices there before you decide. The sheer brilliance of this approach is all about flexibility. You basically mount a tiny wireless sensor directly on the garage door, and it constantly reports back its physical status. Then you hook up a separate little relay module that talks straight to your opener's wall button terminals. It's essentially mimicking a physical button push electronically. Think of it like a tiny, invisible finger pressing the button on your wall the exact second you tap your phone. You get this incredibly reliable status reporting because that physical sensor is literally watching the door move up and down. And even better, if your actual motor dies 5 years from now, no big deal. You can swap out the motor without losing your customized smart setup. The only real catch here is that some older openers have some pretty tricky wiring that simply doesn't play nicely with relays, so you absolutely have to double check your compatibility first. Your actual garage door opener stays completely untouched. We are getting so close to the absolute best option on the market, but there is one specific category we haven't even touched yet that might actually be the smartest move you can make. And that brings us to number 2, the smart remote replacement, sitting in that $250 to $400 range. This option is just elegant in its absolute simplicity. Instead of messing around with all the greasy opener mechanics up on your ceiling, you literally just take your old handheld remote, the one on the wall or clipped to your car visor, and replace it entirely with a dedicated smart remote. It does every single thing the original did, but connects seamlessly to your home network. Some models even come with a built-in outdoor keypad, which is an absolute game changer. Think about when you're out doing yard work or the kids are walking home from school. Anyone can easily open the door without needing a physical key, a smartphone, or tracking mud all the way through the front door just to open the garage.
We definitely consider this the true Goldilocks option. You are looking at a literal 3-minute installation. You just mount it exactly where the old remote was, zero wiring, zero technical skills required, period. And because the manufacturer built this entire device purely to be smart, rather than just bolting intelligence onto an old motor, you get a phenomenally smooth app experience that just works. But it does carry a major limitation that you absolutely need to be aware of. It is entirely dependent on cloud Wi-Fi to function remotely. That means if the company's servers go down for random maintenance or your home internet connection drops during a bad storm, you are temporarily locked out of your smart features until that connection comes back online.
If your internet goes down, remote access goes down. And our number one pick might genuinely surprise you.
Taking the absolute top spot at number 1 is the smart controller with local automation, which will run you anywhere from $350 to $500. And as a quick reminder, everything mentioned in this explainer is linked in the description. Check current prices there before you decide. This option takes the crown because it completely solves the single biggest headache in the smart home space. It works flawlessly without the internet. It uses a highly accurate wireless sensor to track the door and fires a signal directly to your openers button. But the magic is that it connects locally through something like a HomeKit secure router or a local Zigbee network instead of bouncing off some distant cloud server. You get powerful, instant, real-time automations. Just imagine setting the door to automatically close itself 30 minutes after it opens, just in case you forget, or having it open the very second you pull into the driveway in the pitch black, so you literally never have to fumble for a clicker again. The only real downside to this kind of network-level control is a slightly technical setup requiring you to run a low-voltage wire to your button terminals. But honestly, the total peace of mind and lightning speed are unmatched by anything else on the market.
It works even if your internet goes down. Here is your definitive purchasing verdict. If you want absolute simplicity and a straightforward 3-minute install, buy the number 2 smart remote replacement. If you want bulletproof reliability, lightning-fast local network control, and advanced automations, buy the number 1 smart controller. Next, you need to watch our explainer on smart home hubs to make absolutely sure your new garage tech talks perfectly to the rest of your house. Subscribe to SmartHomePicksUSA. So, are you going to finally take control of your smart home today, or keep staring in the rearview mirror wondering if you left that door wide open?